This is a First Alert Weather Special Report.
As expected, it has been an incredibly active weather day across the tri-state area on this First Alert Weather Day. I'm meteorologist Vanessa Murdock, and we're giving you a live look to kick off this report from Lower Manhattan, looking north, and you can see it is still a very dim picture, but we do have some brightening to the west, so things will be improving. But we still have several more hours of our First Alert Weather Day with the risk of severe thunderstorms, possibly an isolated tornado. Let's check it out. These are the details of your First Alert Weather Day for that strong and severe storm potential, and it's not even potential anymore. We have dealt with numerous severe thunderstorm warnings already today, and also there was a tornado warning earlier for northern Ulster, Dutchess County, Heavy rain, localized flooding is what we can expect. Possibility of it. Damaging winds have already touched down. There's been hail as well. Isolated tornado. While we did have the tornado warning earlier today, again, for Dutchess County, northern Dutchess, there has not yet been a tornado reported to have touched down. This is a live look for you. Looking at the harbor, can't see a whole lot here. There's light rain falling over the harbor at this point in time, and we do have numerous thunderstorms out there on the radar. Here's a look at our radar imagery all the way from Connecticut, pushing back to the island, down the Jersey Shore. We've got some severe thunderstorm warnings. So one right now for Nassau County. We'll zoom in here. You can see the strongest portion of the cell capable of producing damaging winds, 60 miles per hour or more, maybe some hail, a little smaller than that 3/4 of an inch mark. This cell is pushing off generally in the northeasterly direction at about 30, 35 miles per hour, but it's essentially rolling right across the island. So where will it be and when? We take you first near Huntington. It'll be there rolling your direction about 20 minutes or so. 413 in Freeport, 419 to Smithtown, Babylon 441, Islip at 450, Sayville at 507, and the trek will continue from there. Will it maintain its severe status? Not necessarily, but certainly you can expect gusty winds and some heavy rain and a lot of lightning as this storm line continues to trek off in the northeasterly direction. Our second severe thunderstorm warning, this one for Ocean County, and slowly but surely we're watching the warning box get squeezed as it treks to that northeast. This one also capable of producing damaging winds at 60 miles per hour. The warning expires at 4:30. As we zoom on in, it will be in Waretown, right now, and Seaside Heights at 4:08. So for those of you, or if you have friends that are hanging along the shore, right, enjoying the beach, now's the time to get inside quickly, get all those valuables off the beach, because the gusty winds will certainly send stuff flying. To the north we go now. Severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for Fairfield County has been dropped, but you can see the strongest action along this line well to our north in Newington, Connecticut. This is so much lightning here, and the line just tracks all the way back and is rolling right across the Sound now. Anybody out on their boats in the Sound that you know, give them a buzz and let them know what's on the way, and that's a strong line of storms that are producing a lot of damage in their wake. We're not seeing widespread, not a lot of circles on this map, but clusters. So in particular, Somerset County seems to have gotten hit hardest so far today with powerful winds. In this case, in Tottenville on Staten Island, a wind gust of 48 miles per hour was recorded. But notice all the circles that came before. These are all reports of wind damage. There are numerous trees and wires down. This in Montgomery Township happened around 2:34 this afternoon. And then closer to the city, of course, in Harlem, we had at 3:10. Well, a tree came down on the Henry Hudson Parkway, and you can imagine that was a bit of a startle for those out traveling in the city today. Bigger picture, what is causing the storms? High heat, high humidity, but most importantly, an incredibly powerful cold front that's rolling from New England all the way down into the deep south. And this is such a powerful front because it is the conjunction of two air masses, one warm and humid, one significantly cooler and more comfortable. You'll note temperatures tomorrow will be 15, maybe 20 degrees cooler than they were today. But first, of course, we have to carry through the rest of our First Alert Weather Day and the storms that are out there. So here we go, 5 o'clock. We're going to start off our Futurecast model. We look to see where the strongest action is. By 5 o'clock, it's pushing across Suffolk County now and still potentially impacting the Jersey Shore. By 8 o'clock, it's more in the way of showers, maybe some storms still to the east and south. But say by 10 o'clock, the activity, the intensity of it has really settled down, and we're just doing with lingering showers at this point in time. And that trend persists through your Sunday morning as well. It's not going to be waking up to a bright, beautiful, different sort of day. It's going to take its time to unfold and see the sunshine again tomorrow, but it will happen Before sunset, I suspect many of us tomorrow will see the sun, but keep in mind, temperatures will be a whole lot cooler. It's only going to be around 70 degrees, even with full sun tomorrow. And that's because that powerful cold front is sweeping on through. So 82 right now in Boston. Look at those 60s to the west. Yeah, that cooler air is on its way right now. Tonight, first alert weather day. Let's keep it in play until, say, 9 o'clock. That's when things will start to really ease up, but we could still deal with some heavy rain. 85 degrees was our high today. Tomorrow, as skies struggle to clear and we deal with morning showers, your high is just 70 degrees. It's quite a swing for this weekend forecast. I certainly hope you're staying safe tonight. We're going to bring you another live update in an hour at the top of 5 o'clock hour to bring you just the latest on all the storms that are out there and any severe weather that might be unfolding. In the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I hope you'll stay right here with us on CBS News New York.
This has been a First Alert Weather Special Report.